Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Heart of Ice by Boywithuke. This is coming out today, the day that this is published. So hopefully this is close. If not, I'm going to have to redo this tutorial based off his song that just came out. Couple things before we get started. Make sure your ukulele is in tune. G, C, E, A for, all the standard tuning of ukuleles. And also, I wanted to announce that I finally hit 1,000 on TikTok, so I can start doing lives on there for you guys, live performances, live songs, live whatever. And also, I have another cool project that I'm gonna be working on. It's gonna be called Uke and Me, and it's gonna be like little EPs that I release on the 13th of every month. And I think each one's gonna have like 3 songs in it. Some are songs I've already written and some are new songs, but it's all gonna be just me and my ukulele, so it's gonna be acoustic. And then every now and then I might have some other singers like in the background with me. So yeah, look out for that. But anyway, let's get to the tutorial of Heart of Ice. Let's start with the verses. All right, so starting with the verses, we're gonna start with the chords and then do the strumming pattern. So the first chord is a G sharp minor. So what you wanna do is bar this 2nd fret, put your middle finger on the 2nd string 1st fret after the bar, put your ring finger on the top string 2nd fret, and then your pinky on the 3rd string 2nd fret. The chord after that is an F sharp, so what you want to do is bar this 1st fret, put your middle finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret, and then your ring finger on the top string 3rd fret. The chord after that is an E. You could play this several different ways, but the way that I like to play it is barring the 2nd fret and then barring these top 3 strings and the 4th fret with my ring finger. The chord after that is a B, which is barring this 2nd fret, just like with the E, putting your middle finger on the 2nd string 1st fret, and then your ring finger on the top string 2nd fret. And then the final chord is an E flat, which is just this bottom string on the 1st fret, and then this 3rd string on the 3rd fret, and the 2nd string on the 3rd fret. So the strumming pattern for the verses is a down, down, mute, up. And you do that for the first 3, and then the last 2, I just like to do down, 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 down. So it would sound like this. And that would be the verses. So now let's get to the chorus. So this song has all the same chords, it's just in a different order for the chorus. So in different lives that I've heard, he starts with E and then plays B, and then in the song that like he's been posting recently on his TikTok, he just goes straight to the E flat. So I'm gonna go with the live because that's the one that I liked the most and that's the one that I watched the most to try and figure these chords out. So for the chorus of his lives, the first chord was the E, the 2nd chord is the B, the 3rd chord is the E flat, then it's the G sharp minor, then the F sharp. And then the strumming pattern for this one is, starting with the E, is down, 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 up, B, down, 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 up, E flat, down, 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 up, and then G sharp minor and F sharp are just down 3 times, so it'll sound like this. So all together, it'll sound like this. Those chords are a little hard, guys. That G sharp minor is killer. It's like playing a G chord with a bar, so you're the G's with your pinky. It's really weird. It's definitely gonna take practice, but let's go ahead and try to sing the song the best that we can. I tried this on TikTok and it took me a few takes, so we'll just see. I thought there was something wrong with my life. I thought I was hopeless, thinking I'm out of time. could change it, and nobody knew. I thought I was breaking, and then I met you. Oh my, you're so fine, can't let you out my mind. I like it when you lie to me, I love it when you try to be wild, bitchy, impolite, somehow stuck in my sights. I like that you're not nice to me, I love your heart of ice. I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Heart of Ice by Boywithuke. It's not the easiest song to play, but you know, if it takes practice, anything is possible. You just gotta get used to that G sharp minor. That's the one that kills me, man. And the strumming pattern is a little awkward, but practice makes perfect. So I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, and yeah, why don't you go check out my music, and I also do covers now, so fun.
Is it sweet or is it dead?